Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tell shock absorbers need replacing. First, we'll cover the common signs that indicate your shocks might be failing. Then, we'll look at what to visually inspect on your vehicle. Finally, we'll discuss how your car's handling and ride quality can reveal issues, helping you identify problems early for a safer, smoother drive. A quick visual check can reveal a lot. Start by looking for any fluid leaking from the shock absorber itself. This is a clear sign of failure. Also, examine the shock body for any physical damage like dents or heavy rust. Don't forget to check your tires for uneven wear, especially cupping, which often points to worn suspension components. How your car drives is a major indicator. If your vehicle continues to bounce several times after going over a speed bump, your shocks are likely worn. You might also notice the front end dipping significantly when you brake, or the rear squatting during acceleration. Poor handling, especially a feeling of instability when turning, also suggests it's time for a checkup. To confirm, try the bounce test. Push down firmly on each corner of your parked car. If it bounces more than 1 or 2 times before settling, your shocks are weak. Also, listen for any clunking or rattling sounds, especially over rough roads. These noises often signal worn components. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below. Replacing worn shocks improves safety and comfort significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.